This is David. He just moved to Europe with his father Alex, mother Eva, and little sister Emma. The family is settling in well, especially after discovering Icelandic pancakes. Emma is really excited to begin preschool in her new country, but Alex and Eva are unsure of what is available for David. They suspect that David might have a disability, but have never been in a position where he could be properly examined or diagnosed. In Iceland, children with disabilities and their families have numerous rights. David has the same rights as other children. He also has the right to special assistance due to his disability. For example, David has the right to attend a preschool that offers special assistance. This assistance ensures that David and his family can have the same quality of life as other families, and that the complications related to David's disability have little effect on the quality of life and opportunities for him and his family. The assistance David receives has no effect on the rights or status of other members of his family. Assistance with disabled children and their families should be holistic and empowering, because the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child is enshrined in Icelandic law. All children should be afforded the same opportunities. If you need additional information, contact us at Þroskahjálp. Our number is 588-9390, or feel free to send an email to throskahjálp@throskahjálp.is.